So guys, I just got a package, something I ordered from Jumia right now. So they just called me to come and get my package. So this, so let's unbox and see what is inside. Okay. Don't mind my face. I'm not feeling so well. So the type of solo tape these people use in packaging this thing, it's quite annoying. Guess what is inside, guys? Yes, you know I'm on my weight loss journey, so I usually take hot water every morning. My apple cider stuff that I drink every morning. So I got myself a flask for hot water. So this, they said, this hot water now, this flask, sorry, when I ordered it, they said it's both cold water for 24 hours and hot water for 24 hours. So yeah, it's quite sweet. I love it. Yeah. So let's unbox this one. I guess. So while I was unboxing that one, I got a call to go pick this one up again. So I'm not done with this. I'll still unboxing down this. So this is a glass, a blue light glass, but I'm going to the hospital to change it to medicated, right? So yeah, let's try it. So pretty. Oh my god, look at that, so beautiful. So beautiful on me, guys. What do you think? It looks nice on me, right? Yeah, I love it. I love ordering from Jumia because I'm always busy in the house working, so I do my shopping on Jumia. Yeah. So it's not finished. So we have this again. Oh, sort of this. It's much. Because I want to do this. We have to. I feel I need to buy like scissors to be doing my unboxings, right? Because I do more of online shopping. So the second, the third, guess what's inside? My mouse, guys. The last time I got mouse pad, so the mouse that I have is all this wired mouse, so I want to upgrade to very silky. See, so it's very nice. I'll like remove this and input it on my laptop, then start working. Yeah, very nice. So over to this. Let's unpause this. Let's start. Thank God, this one is quite easy. My Wi-Fi. Yeah, this is the upgraded Wi-Fi, but you see, you think that it's just Airtel, but this one is universal. It goes with MTN, 9 Mobile, Glow, Etisalat, just universal. Yeah. So it's universal internet. It's because they said it's universal, but I don't know. I will check later because I went for universal. So they said that this is the upgraded option, that this is actually universal. Airtel upgraded and Wi-Fi is universal. So I don't know. I will test later if it's true or if it's not true. This is the, what is this? So I think this is the scan, this thing I used to scan and know the authenticity of this. And this is the guide for it. Yeah, and this the battery, and this is the charger. This is the battery. Yeah, I don't want to remove it. So, and this is the guide. You can see I'm still with the same cloth. It's raining back to back. Delivery, yeah. So I got this again. Let's do the unboxing. So this is Jumia Express. I love shopping from Jumia. It makes my shopping so easy and it's doorstep delivery. Yeah, so this one is quite easy. To unbox. Let's see what is inside. Guess what is inside? I got a laptop bag, guys. This is my laptop bag. Very nice. Gateway laptop bag. It's quite sharp. This wig for my wig, just 3 pieces. So I don't know how to set it. I'm going to watch a YouTube video to learn how to set it. So maybe when I'm done setting, I'll make a video of it. Yeah, I'll show you guys. So you see, it's three.